Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install CodeBlocks IDE on Windows 10 or 11. It's the same process for both Windows, so let's get started. First of all, you need to search for CodeBlocks download on Google, and the first link you will see, just click on downloads. It will take you right over here, click on download the binary release, and you will end up over here. This is where you need to select the specific thing which I'm going to show you over here, which is going to be this one, CodeBlocks and MinGW setup. This is the fourth one which we are going to install, and you can go either any one of them. I'm going with the sourceforge.net. Once you click on that, you will end up over here and you can easily download it from over here. So as you can see, my download is happening right now, so I'm gonna wait for a while. So as you can see that it has been downloaded, and I'm going to open this up. So this is how it looks like. Just click on next, agree the terms obviously, and you can see that these are the things which we are going to install. Click on next. This is the directory and install. It might take some few minutes, so let's wait for a while. So once it is installed, as you can see, this will pop up, and obviously you want to run CodeBlocks right now. Yes. Once you click on that, this is how it shows up, and you just need to click on finish. Then once you are here, you can see that this is the pop-up will come up. I'm just going to click OK right now, and here we are. You just need to click on create new project if you want to start a project. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go to the files now and click on C++, and you can go either any one of them. I'm going with the C right now. You can select the path also. So I create the path over here. I'm going to save this, and obviously you need to name the file. I'm going to write demo, save, finish, and here we are. Here you can enter your C++ HTML and you can start running. So as you can see that I have entered the C++ code over here, and once you do that, click on save. Once you click on save, this will turn into green and you can run it from over here. So you can see that hello world is over here. This is what we generated, right? So that's it. This is all you need to know how to install CodeBlocks on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.